Hi everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with the Smash Our Stash collab, and this month the theme is flowers. We get together every month to use up our stash, and it's meant to be a fun collab that'll hopefully help us use items in our stash or motivate us to use some of the items that we have in abundance. And clearly, as you can see here, I have a lot of floral themed items and just plain flowers in abundance. These are Recollections tins of white flowers. They're embossed and kind of shaped, and they're just a plain white cotton style flower. And I noticed some of them had some silver printing on them, so I'm separating those out because I'm sort of reaching for ideas, trying to figure out what I'm going to do with them. I had probably organized these before and put those leaves in, so I'm taking the leaves out, and I'm going to end up putting all the white flowers into one tin and separating those leaves out. These are just screaming to be painted or spritzed with color and printed on and piled together to make some fluffy flowers, and we'll see what I do with them. I have another tin filled with red and pink similar style flowers. Then I found this bag with, they're kind of poinsettia shaped, red and pink flowers. Some of them have something that's supposed to look like snow on them. I have this packet of pre-printed in 3 different sizes. And finally, here's what I'm going to do with the white ones. I decided just to stick with the white ones, and I found this script stamp. I'm going to ink it up with some Memento ink and stamp them right on top of the flowers. Well, I like how that worked out. Let's see how it works out with this stamp. Well, I liked how it worked out so much, I did it again. Now let's try it with this Jane Davenport stamp. This stamp set comes with a bunch of eyes and noses and mouths, 4 of each type, so I tried it with a different combination of all of those. I made a total of 4 faces with this Jane Davenport set, and then I painted them. I spritzed some color on some of the printed flowers, and I painted some of the faces, and I used some of these brads as well, the flower-shaped brads. And I had these other brads from Eyelet Outlet that had water buckets and plant pots and suns and leaves and all sorts of stuff in it. So I used that on one of them. And I decided to use some of the backgrounds that I had already made from my stash. I put some of the flowers together, and here's the first one I made. Love the background. I'm not too crazy about the flower, I have to be honest with you. And I really don't like these flower faces. I think they're kind of creepy. Let me know what you think. I think this one I did the nose upside down. I don't really know. This one I like a lot better. It's just the printed flowers. Here's that creepy face again. I thought it would be cute with the flower pot and the ladybug, but no, not so much. and my butterflies in the background look great. These last two cards weren't that bad. I think they worked out pretty well. Anyway, folks, that's it for my creepy cards and my flower cards. I hope you like it. Please look at the description bar below, click thumbs up, and bye.